At the shoe healer, we've had these boots sent in to us for repair. We would normally put this Solovair unit on them, but unfortunately there's hardly any welt left in certain areas, and it really wouldn't make a nice job. So we're getting back to the customer and saying, you know, really, these old DMs aren't worth doing. I want that screen up if you can. And anyway, we found a company. I thought I'd seen somebody. Is there another screen, the home screen? This company here going to do a full repair and rebuild on these and a re-welt, and they've got a special offer on £63, £63.95, and that includes the carriage from me to you, you to me.
But they're going back to Sweden.
These are going back to Sweden, yes. And we're going to put him some new pull tabs on the back. But they are a lovely old DM in leather, a little bit creased here, but still lovely and supple, and will probably make a nice boot. So what we're going to do is we're going to send these to this company, £63, and just see what comes back. It'd be great. We've got the boots back. How long have they been gone? I think a week, have they, Anne? A week?
The 13th I sent them out, but they've been back within a week.
Yeah, so a week, within a week. This is the boot. It's got the new sole on, it's got the new welt on, and quite frankly, it's a great repair. It really is. You know, don't bother sending them to me now. That is the place to go. It was called the Doc Martin Repair Centre. It's online, and they've done a fabulous job. They really have. £63.70. Now that was on special offer, and that did include collection from us and then to them, and then from them back to us. So that is amazing. We've actually had these sent to us from a customer in Sweden. We've got a few little bits to do to them for our customer, and then we'll send them back to him. But we will, you know, we told him that we couldn't re-welt them and that we had to find somebody to do it. So we found this company. They were on special offer, but it's amazing. Once you take off the VAT, you're down to, well, it'd be £10 VAT on there. You're down to maybe £53. Then you take off what they've paid for the carriage and the price of the unit that they've put on, which is, it says the original, and it looks beautiful, looks lovely. Wow, what a great service they're providing. So I think the name was there on that
Repair Boot Company.
The Repair Boot Company, yeah,
Boot Company Repair.
Fantastic. Yeah. Well, you know, we've got to say it's not something that we've ever specialised in. Doc Martens, we can repair them, but it's not something we're specialised in. But I will in future be recommending them because you know, it were a lovely job, and the re-welting as well. And they did give us the option of different colours re-welting. They've put us a pair of laces in. I don't know if they do that for everybody, but these are going back with a pair of laces as well. So you know, it's amazing. You're just, you know, in the world that we're in nowadays, and as a repairer, you're trying to do jobs that are economically good for the customer and for us. We couldn't make money doing this repair. They must be set up purely for Doc Martens and all the machinery, banging these out, and wow, they've made a lovely job of them.